It's going to be very shaky. No one's going to be here yet. No one's here yet.
I'm scared.
Yeah, it's pretty scary.
My ears are popping.
There's no way this stream is gonna last. It's like the reception's gonna go out. Like 100%.
Way up there, Dave. Way up there. Oh, come
Let me
on.
change this.
Hey, how can you stand up without tripping?
What do you mean? How can
Strong cord.
I don't know if that's why.
Watch out for the open window.
I see it.
During our public tours, we passed through a variety of different lakes, ranging from the desert to the alpine plain. It's a little like making a motor trip. This is the only place in Southern California. As we approach tower number 2, at the top of the tower, you can see a 16 by 16 platform. And now, used during the trans-regional period.
Okay, this is a little scary. Sorry.
Scared.
As you no doubt already noticed, we experienced the motion. Tram cars, transistors, track cable, all the towers sadly packed.
Where are the towers?
Result of the car moving from the tower. Right. The original tramway was designed and built by the Von Roll Company of Bern, Switzerland. All moving parts of the cables are Swiss-made. The towers are American-made. There's a total of 27 miles of various sized cables in the support, movement, and communication of the tramway.
We are pretty high up.
These are the track cables
Oh my
on
God.
which we ride. They weigh
Daddy would ski
just
from
under
this.
9,000
I'm
foot. With
scared.
each of these
He would
track
what from
cables,
this? He
would ski.
13,500 feet in length.
I would not.
Me, I would, that's for sure.
I mean, well, it depends on where. Like you can't ski from over there. Like that's just a drop.
No.
Yeah, there's nothing there.
You want to take a picture just everybody on the tram?
I did. Can you check to see if I'm even streaming? I don't even know if I am. It just says one viewer, but that doesn't necessarily mean it's going.
Tied together by the holy cables.
Thank you so much.
You see, the drive system
There's the windmills up there.
is pulling that car down.
A lot of windows.
Yeah.
Pulling us up. Are 34 feet long. The Palm Springs aerial tram.
Yeah, see that?
Streamy thing.
Early 90s.
It's right there. On the left.
To this day is known as the father of the tramway.
Live. You're live, Dave.
Okay, everybody, we're coming up
You've got
to
it on my
Tower
feet.
3.
Okay, cool.
Tower 3 is a little bit of a swing than all the other towers.
I'm afraid to be near the open window.
What? Are you going to fall or drop your phone?
Both. I'm afraid of both of those things. Oh my god. Okay, that's spooky. What is like the capacity of this?
I don't know, Dave. Keep going.
Because just like the
Gotta go down. Look down.
just like the shakiness of that. Oh boy. You don't need to watch the stream anymore. I just wanted to know if it was on. Well, it's probably gonna die.
They ever have earthquakes?
All of these plants here.
Oh yeah, an earthquake now. That would suck.
But suddenly you're in a climatic zone where you can see them. I don't know what they are.
I'm scared. Hi.
Yeah. There's no one here, just you.
Now, Dave, we're skiing down the other side.
We're skiing down the other side. I'd ski down this little area over here. This little
I don't think so.
I wouldn't ski down the other parts of this because it's just a drop. Yeah, I see it. I'm gonna walk back up a little bit. Mountain lions. All I heard was mountain lion. And there's the moving sidewalk down there. Do not lean on window. I'm honestly shocked this stream is still going. I would have.
My phone says SOS all.
Yeah. Yeah.
I guess it means emergency only. I don't have the.
Well, if it would be if emergency would be allowed, then connectivity should be allowed, right? Like, what's the idea that it's just like saving?
SOS only means. Here comes another tower.
Uh-oh. All right, gonna be shaky from that. Oh God. You're doing Oh Long Johnson.
Oh no, don't.
And there's the end of it up there.
Oh my God, Dave, look so pretty down there. Oh my.
Yeah, it's nice.
Coachella, where they have the Coachella fair.
I don't know what else it could be. But I'm astonished it seems so close.
Here's the last tower.
Oh, that's not even. Oh, this is the tower. Yeah, that's just the exit up there.
Okay, everybody, we're coming up to that mountain station.
Was that 10 minutes?
Elevation 8,516 feet. So we just traveled about 6,000 feet on the way up. So we're going to be exiting on the second level of a 3-story building. Second level is where you're going to find the tram to come back down. Right now we're running every 12 minutes. That's subject to change. It's first come, first serve. Last tram down tonight, 9:30. Do not miss that tram. Our top level is our fine dining restaurant, cafe, cocktail lounge, observation decks. Bottom level, the doors that take you out to that beautiful state park. We have 2 documentary theaters downstairs and our natural history museum. If everyone can look this way, we're going to be exiting out this door over here to my right. We're going to go straight inside the building for me, down that hallway where it says entrance. I can't keep anybody out on the dock, not even for photos. If you want photos of this area, go upstairs through the cocktail lounge. You'll be on an open patio right up above us. No windows, better pictures. Have a great time. Thank you. You're welcome.
No, ew.
Oh, okay.
Not me. Someone farted.
Shut up.
Ever farting.
Oh, that Indian person. Or what did John say on the plane? Have you been here?
Once.
Oh.
One time.
Something you reminds me of Hakone a little bit.
Not.
Well, I mean, it's different
What is this, a
landscape.
heat lamp over here?
Different landscape. It's an experience.